And now we are approaching the real gem of Cyprus, the Elysium Hotel, offering a luxurious and comfortable haven. Its high standards and world-class facilities have left a lasting impression on guests. Upon entering the lobby, you're immersed in opulence and elegance. While room reviews varied, with praise for comfort and design, some inland view guests desired more. Guest feedback consistently highlights the warm and attentive staff, going above and beyond to ensure a memorable stay. Food prices were criticized by some, but the majority commended the diverse culinary experiences, especially the delightful breakfast spread. The hotel provides various entertainment options, including live performances at the amphitheatre. Families with children appreciated thoughtful provisions, like the entertainment room and outdoor playground. In summary, positive aspects far outweigh the negatives.